All right, great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to another episode of Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
Hold up. What? Is that nigga? Is this the illest nigga in Nebraska?
As always, super humbled and blessed for every single pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. And today, we got a super sleeper. I promise you all are absolutely comatose, but here I come to wake you up.
Wake up!
I'm talking about the Puma times Nicky Diamonds RS XL.
Who?
Yeah, you never heard of it before. But I promise you, this is gonna mess around and creep into my top 10, and I'm about to put y'all on. But first, I do want to encourage everybody who's watching to go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, and also hit the notifications. Come to find out that this helps boost it up the algorithms and helps more people get to the channel. More people get to the channel, more milestones we hit. More milestones we hit, the bigger we get. And that's what we all about here, is hitting those milestones, setting our targets and hitting them. Not just for me and my YouTube, but for you and your life as well. So I must insist.
It's a privilege. Performing a civic duty we should all take part in. We know you do the right thing.
Hit that like button, subscribe, and notifications. I'll go ahead and give you a couple seconds to do it.
Do it. Do it.
And let's get back to the video though. We all know Diamond Supply Code, Nicky Diamond, most notably for his iconic Nike Diamond Dunk. With the black and diet Tiffany blue colorway. Definitely a pair that I won't ever have in my collection because I'm not forking out thousands of dollars for it.
No.
But shout out to that man for creating the icon. He brings that same flavor to his Puma collaborations. I think he's done like 3 or 4 of them. And this one, to celebrate Puma's 75th anniversary, was no different, except that this one is absolutely frigid.
Winter is coming.
So we're not gonna waste no more time. We're just gonna get right up into it. And here we go.
I thought you'd never ask.
All right, first off, we have the box, and you already know me, man. I'm a sucker for good presentation, man, and this thing is absolutely great, man, with the diamonds all around it. Co-branding. I thought this was pretty unique, a little diamond cut. All right, box reads, RS XL Diamond Supply. Colorway is smoky gray, impossible Tiffany blue.
I'm not stealing, I'm borrowing.
Nah, I'm joking, man. It don't say that. They actually left the description of the blue out of this because, you know, lawyers and all that.
It's not what you know, it's what you can prove. You want to go to jail, you want to go home.
As you open the box, co-branded paper, which is pretty fresh. And boom. And here you have them. RSXL times Diamond Supply Code. Listen, y'all. First impressions out the box.
It's pretty. It's so pretty.
I mean, and of course y'all know by the time y'all seen this video, I've already seen the shoe and gave a reaction. But I'm telling y'all, my initial reaction out of this box was like, oh shit. Like, like these is way colder than the pictures described. Like it had, man. So let's go ahead and get into them right quick. Like instead of the Puma logo, we have a diamond here. Well, not an actual diamond. I mean, you know, it's plastic, but you know, a diamond emblem. Smoke gray mesh on the toe box. On the toe guard, we have a suede. It's pretty good. Side paneling, of course, we got some TPU smoke gray right here, and this textured suede coming across the Puma form strip is an incredible hit. Tiffany blue stripes.
Hey homie, I ain't here, homie. Don't be saying I'm here like that low.
How about this? As we can see, the Diamond Supply blue stripes coming through it. Also, the Diamond Supply co-branding right there. This Diamond Supply strip and this little flap right here are actually 3M. Let me see if I can get y'all a picture of that. It's actually pretty dope. On the back here, heel tab, Diamond Supply blue, TPU, something. Looks like a diving board or something like that. I promise you, if you heel kick somebody with this, it's gonna be a problem. Rope pull tab here with the mixture of the colors. You know, real subtle hit. Inside, we have a 75th anniversary commemoration for Puma, and you also get these metal aglets at the end of the laces. It's the small details that make up the big picture. You know what I mean?
I spit hot fire.
And if you know anything about, you know, the Puma RS line, I mean, these are incredibly comfortable. We're talking about like the quintessential dad shoe, if you will. And hey man, as far as the drip forecast for these, we're talking about like basically diving into a pool here. Thumbnail cam. I be cracking myself up with that though. Like, I mean, these are literally sitting at Foot Locker right now. They did sell out on his website for a sneaker that only had 2,500 pairs made, and for as limited as it is, and a Diamond Supply Co. collaboration, it is mind-blowing to me. Hype moves mysteriously.
I'll never tell. I'll never tell.
Like I said before, please do not be surprised if these creep into my top 10. Hey, once again, man, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to become a friend of mine by liking the video and joining the Milestone Mafia by subscribing and hitting that bell notification. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, y'all stay super blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes and catch you on the next one. All right? Peace.
And as always, in parting, we wish you love, peace, and so.
And of course, I'm really worried that I'm not doing these justice in hand. So we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at these and see if we could, you know what I'm saying, get these to stop sitting on the shelves. All right.